Good afternoon. It is May the 25th of 2025. What we have here is a small swarm of bees that have left one of their hives and settled on the fruit tree. I have a brand new box for them to go into. So now the trick is just going to be to get these bees and their queen into their new home. Now, in theory, while bees are swarming, they don't sting. I have never done this without a jacket on. I hope this is not an action that I regret. Alright, that has got the most of them right away into the box. I have here a goose feather, which is a useful tool for brushing them in. I need to make sure I got the queen. No stings. Interesting. Alright, I have definitely don't see a queen here. The tree is clean. All of these are in the box. That one almost went in my mouth, but other than that, they've been good. So, right now, they're all in there. I'm going to give them a few minutes to crawl down inside of the comb that's down in the bottom there, and then I'll transport the box up to where it's going to live for their new home. Welcome to your new home in your yellow hive. They left from the blue hive over there, so they didn't go very far. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Okay, I've carried the box over from where I filled it up. And also brought the pallet that was there. It has a few bees on it. Still don't care about me very much, so I filled that box up with frames. That's going to become our new bottom. There it goes. And then this is the box with the substantive swarm in it. And there it goes, newly established beehive. You'll notice this one is yellow, the other ones are blue and pink. Bees can see color and they know which home is theirs. They fly out, they look at it, they remember where it is and what color it is, and they come back to the same place. Just giving them some sugar water, and there's some honey in the comb that's in this already, so they're getting a good start, which means they should stay here. The interesting thing about bees is they could always leave and fly off and go swarm somewhere else if they want to, but usually they stay in these boxes that we make for them because we make them a good home, and every once in a while we steal a little bit of honey in return, and they don't seem to mind too much. Alright. There's a few bees inside the lid. I just got to brush down into here. Even with that treatment, they really aren't all that angry at me. Then put on an inner lid. Got a little hole at the front so they have an extra entrance. Put on the outer lid, and everybody can come home. new hive to go with the other two. So I had no bees at the start of this year, bought some, put them in the blue hive, and I've split it into the pink hive, and then they split themselves by doing the swarm. So now we're hopefully up to 3 healthy hives of bees, all with queens in them. And hopefully we end up with some honey once the season starts to pick up. Have a good day, everybody. As you can see, there's still a few stragglers here. If she will go onto my thumb, I'll give her a lift over here. And then she goes straight on into her home where she can hear her sisters and smell where her queen is. So while they're in their swarm phase here, they are incredibly peaceful little bees. You're going the wrong way. All right. There she goes. And they have almost all settled in. Still a few flying around, so we'll leave things open so that they can get in and settle in.